Hi everyone, we are meeting after a long time, but we are going to discuss the same topic which we have started in the last class, that was cellular respiration. In the last video you can see we have discussed about the cellular respiration and glycolysis. So in the continuation we are going to discuss the second step of cellular respiration, and that is link reaction. It is called as link reaction or the gateway reaction. So where it will happen, when it will happen, and how it will happen, we are going to discuss that. As you know that the glycolysis was occurring inside the cytosol. So in the glycolysis we have started with the glucose, and the product of glycolysis was pyruvic acid. In glucose 6 carbon atoms are present, whereas in pyruvic acid only 3 carbon atoms are present. अब जो pyruvic acid है which is having 3 carbons, now it has formed inside the cytosol with the help of specific transport protein. This pyruvic acid will enter inside the matrix of mitochondria from the cytosol. When it will reach inside the matrix of mitochondria, the further oxidative catabolism of pyruvic acid will occur. If we talk about the complete cellular respiration, तो pyruvic acid में से 3 CO2 रिमूव कर देना and hydrogen atoms को रिमूव कर देना to obtain energy, that is complete cellular respiration. But because we are discussing only the link reactions, we will discuss only one reaction which will complete inside the matrix of mitochondria. So inside the mitochondria pyruvic acid is coming. तो pyruvic acid जो है आपको पता है कि pyruvic acid is a 3 carbon containing complex. तो pyruvic acid है, it is a 3 carbon containing complex. Now when it will enter inside the matrix of mitochondria, so in the presence of an enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase, oxidative decarboxylation of this complex will occur. Means removal of carbon dioxide plus hydrogen atom from the pyruvic acid. As a result of this process, pyruvic acid in which 3 carbons are present, it will convert into the acetyl coenzyme, which is a 2 carbon containing complex. Conversion of pyruvic acid to acetyl coenzyme A is called as link reaction. And why it is called as a link reaction? Because pyruvic acid is the product of glycolysis and acetyl coenzyme A is the reactant for the Krebs cycle. So this reaction occurs between the glycolysis and Krebs cycle. That's why it is called as link reaction. Now what is pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme? Is a multi-enzyme complex and it needs coenzymes to work. इसे function करने के लिए coenzymes लगते हैं. So the coenzymes required by pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme are TPP, thiamine pyrophosphate, magnesium, iron, lipoic acid and trans-acylase. So in this reaction, pyruvic acid in the presence of pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme and in the presence of sulfur containing coenzyme A, it will convert into the acetyl coenzyme A. And because this is the oxidative decarboxylation, so CO2 will be released and hydrogen will be accepted by electron carrier, that is NAD. So NAD will convert into the NADH plus H. During this reaction, we are forming NAD. Now it is also an energy yielding step. From 1 NADH we get 3 ATPs, then from 2 NADH we will get 6 ATPs. In that way, with the help of link reaction we get 6 ATPs. And now this acetyl coenzyme A will go for the Krebs cycle that will occur in the matrix of mitochondria. So we are done with the link reaction. In the next video, we'll discuss the Krebs cycle. Thank you.